Hello everyone, it's Jordan from Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac here in Whitby, and I'm here with a 2021 Chevrolet Equinox, one of our most popular vehicles, and I'm going to show you today how to pair your phone. Nice and simple, let's dive right in. So we're here at the main screen. The first thing you're going to want to do is hit phone, connect phone. In the left hand corner you're going to add phone, and then on your phone make sure the Bluetooth is on through your settings, okay? And once you do that, you're going to scroll down all the way to available devices, and you're going to look for this name, My Chevrolet. So we have that at the top here. You're going to click that. It's going to ask for a password. So 215680, make sure that that password is correct on your phone. You're going to hit OK, and on the screen here hit pair. Now once that's connected, I'm using an Android, so it's going to ask a few questions here. So it's going to ask for allow access to messages. You're going to hit allow, and there's going to be a second one popping up, allow access to contacts, and you're going to hit allow there. So that is for when anytime you make phone calls that the Bluetooth connectivity allows you to say a contact name through the phone. So now that we're at our main screen here, what you're going to want to do is hit this phone button. It'll show you here your keypad so you can dial any number, your recent contacts, and also all your contacts that you have in your phone. Now what I find the easiest way to call someone is to use it through the steering wheel. So what you can do, this button here with this person talking, you hit that button, call Steve Avery.
Okay, calling Steve Avery.
And it'll show you here that he's calling. We're going to end that call for now. But if he were to call me, his name would also pop up. Steve Avery is calling you. And you can actually answer through here by hitting this button, or on the screen as well. There'll be a green phone light that does pop up. This is Jordan again from Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.